Hi, welcome back to my video. Just like to answer some people who ask me about what are differences between training on ISO 50001 energy management system that I've been conducted, okay, from other ISO 50001 training. Okay, I don't know much about what are the trainers shared in their training, because I've never attended any of them. But what I can share is that in my training, basically there are three modules. 1 day awareness on the requirements, 2 days advance on how to develop and implement the system, and the last one is training for ISO 50001 internal auditors. Basically, bear in mind that I am an energy management system consultant, okay, and I refer to ISO 50001 or ISO 50001 as my main documents in my works. So what I have been doing over the years, since 2012, basically, I've been using that standard, okay, to help companies to develop and implement energy management system. Okay, basically, I help companies to translate that requirement in the standard into action at their organizations. So, therefore, in my training, basically, I'm sharing what exactly, okay, that I did, okay, at each of client that I helped to get certified for ISO 50001. So the training basically is the sharing of first the requirement of the standard, and also how to translate each clause, requirement of each clause of the standard into action that I have translated, that I have helped, okay, companies into actions. Okay, into actions means that the how, the what are the requirements, and also the how to implement that requirement, how to realize that requirement at site or at organization. So basically, my training is about sharing exactly, okay, how to develop the system, okay, how to implement the system, and how to even to improve the system implementation. It's not just telling the participant, you need to have this, you should have this, you must have this. No, it's about this is you must have this, and this is exactly how to do it. The how, which has been proven, because I have helped, okay, over 30 facilities, okay, over 30 facilities certified with ISO 50001 from 2012. That's what I can share about my training. Okay, so I don't know whether it is different or not compared to others. I don't know. Okay, but that exactly what I can share with you. Okay, why, how I, what I delivered, okay, have been delivered in all my ISO 50001 training. Okay, for the 1 day program, normally I just share the requirement and I will demonstrate, okay, some of the analysis and all that. Okay, but in the advanced training, 2 days, I will request each participant to bring their own energy related data, okay, to the training, and they can use the data that they bring in, okay, to the training. Or if they don't have one, okay, I will share with them samples of real life data that they will use, okay, they will use in the training, in the practical exercise, that they learn the know-how in the training. If they bring their own data, they can use their own data and they can use it after that. So the training for me, not just a training to listen. Okay, the training, in my training, if you come for the 2 days advanced training, the training you can come over for the training and to learn and do it instantly, immediately, and after you did it during the class, okay, you can continue, okay, continue further at your organizations. So that's what I can share in my training. Similar to the internal auditors training. Okay, So I have conducted various internal audits, okay, for companies to meet their certification requirement. So in my training, okay, I will share exactly how to conduct internal audit for companies based on the ISO 50001 standard. Okay, exactly. Even I give some practical exercises, how to translate the clause, and then what exactly the internal auditor is supposed to look at, what kind of evidence they're supposed to look at, and all that. Exactly. Basically, the so-called sharing the real life experience. So in short, okay, in my training, okay, all training that I've been conducting, okay, since 2012, 2013, you know that, okay, it's all about sharing my real life experience at different organizations from different type of industries, okay, on how exactly to develop and implement and improving energy management system, okay, for companies. Not just sharing the requirement, not just the theoretical. That's why you can, you get the over 300 pages slides, which I won't cover all, but there'll be a lot of examples, real life example on how exactly to translate each clause in the standard into action that make your system works, okay, based on the proven system that will be working, and then at the end of the day can improve your energy performance. So it's not just a training, because I came across a few of my participants that came from my training. After some time I met them, Jizani, thank you very much, because my company has already certified, even without consultant, just from following exactly what you share with us during the training. I'm happy to hear that, even though they did not engage me as their consultant, I'm happy enough. That's the satisfaction as a trainer. So that's what I can share, the difference between what I can share, what about my training, because I cannot share the difference because I never attended any other training on ISO 50001, okay, except the training that I attended to get my ISO 50001 lead auditor some times ago. Okay, with that, so that's exactly what I deliver during my training, not just theoretical, exactly the how to translate each clause into action that will make your system working very well to improve your energy performance based on the best practice ISO 50001. Thank you for listening. Okay.